Guys, how you doing? Just a quick video. Very soon, we've got the 100,000 subscriber giveaway coming up. Guys, I can't believe how quickly we've got there. I kind of set myself a goal to get to 100,000 subscribers at the end of this year. And I think we might be getting there in probably about a month from now. So what I'm going to be doing is a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a Max 8. So this will be perfect for like any of your 1/8 stuff. It would even work in an X-Max. I've ran one of these in an X-Max before and it worked. But it's going to be more suited to like your 1/8 stuff, like your E-Revos. You're perfect in the UDR. You're perfect in any 1/8 buggy, truggy, anything like that. It comes with a program card as well. I'm going to do the same sort of rules as I did last time. You've got to be a subscriber, and I'm going to be asking a question related to this channel. It's going to be an RC car related question. I think last time I said something like, what ESCs have I got in like in that, or something like that. So there's going to be a question related to this channel, and the first person to get that question right, I'm going to put well, that's going to be the winner. And pretty much, you've got to be subscribed and you've got to be notified, because when this video comes up, you want to be the first person to know. Because then if you know the question, bang the answer quickly in the comments, and then the first person to get it right, they're going to be the first person to win this. So some people are saying they're not getting notifications. So there's a Facebook group that I've got. I'm going to put a link to that group down below, and I will be posting a link to that video on the Facebook group at the exact same time as I publish the video. So that way, anybody that doesn't get the notifications through YouTube can get them through Facebook as well. So hopefully that's going to be more fair to more people. Also, I've got a new channel I've just made, guys. Most of you probably already know what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to separate this business here from the business stuff. So I'm going to make this channel is going to be more focusing on fun, and my other channel is going to be more focusing on to business. So if you're interested in business, if you're interested in making yourself, you know, building yourself a better future, or you're into business, or you just want to watch it for the entertainment and watch what I'm up to, then I'll put a link to that channel down below. So if you like that sort of stuff, guys, give us a subscribe on that one, and I'm going to keep this channel here more for fun. You're still going to get the odd business video. I'm still going to put a little bit in there. You're still going to see some of my business ads on the front of some of my videos, but I'm not going to be uploading these like full-on business videos every single day. That's going to be on a completely separate channel. So hopefully that's going to keep everybody happy. That's my plan, is to help us. The more people I can make happy, the better. So alright guys, I hope you liked that video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys, bye.